Hi guys, this week we're gonna see and explore a site from the University of Victoria in British Columbia. I think it's really interesting. It's the same site you worked on last week, but it's something different. Last week we focused more on grammar. So this one here, it's about a themed reading. So it's about a theme. So it talks about pulp, the exploitation of pulp to create paper and stuff like this from wood. So over here you have different things you have to do, okay, throughout this theme about pulp friction, they called it, to remind you the movie Pulp Fiction. So you have pre-reading exercises and quiz. I showed them to you. Look at the picture, discuss the image, da-da-da. Just a sec. I'm just going to go back over here. Timed reading. You have a reading to do, vocabulary exercises, grammar exercises related to the theme. You have critical reading. A lot of stuff. Review lesson, cause and effect linking words, conjunctions and transition exercise. This is a multiple choice exercise on using conjunctions and transition to express cause and effect. Complete the sentences. Many species of wildlife are becoming extinct. Therefore, since so consequently, rainforests are being destroyed. So which words should be used over here? So this is just an example of the grammar they ask you to do over here. Critical reading over here. You have to read, and after you have to answer the different questions concerning the different groups that are involved with this kind of industry. Scavenger hunt, you have to look for stuff on the internet, and you have a writing assignment to do too. So a lot of stuff to keep you busy through the week. If you have any question, you can contact me. This is what you have to do for this week. So I hope everything's all right with you, and you can reach me through Messenger or maybe through mail if you have any questions. Take care, guys. See you. And I think that this is right on your level of English. You can do this easy. See you guys.